Hi, Dr. Kendra Flores-Carter here again, coming to you to let you know about our next training, which is going to be this Saturday, April 17th at 9 a.m. Belize time, 8 a.m. U.S. time. We're going to be covering topics that are really significant to our communities, topics like poverty and the lack of education and how this influences a child's development. We're going to be covering parental incarceration and how this impacts a child. We're going to be also talking about family violence and how this affects a child. We're also going to be talking about poverty and violence and the implication for gang affiliation. In addition, we'll also be covering topics that's related to adverse childhood experiences, trauma, and also topics related to what child abuse is and how to spot it and how to recognize the sign of it. So I hope you join us. This is being brought to you in affiliation with California Baptist University Social Work Program Global Human Rights course. Students, along with myself, have been working diligently to put this evidence-based information for you to be able to get the knowledge needed to further help and work in the child welfare system and educational system. So I hope to see you. The Zoom link is posted. You just have to click it and join us this Saturday. And also, I would like to give a special shout out to our partner, Children First and Last Belize. They're sponsoring this training for you guys. And also, please note that the MOE is offering 5 free CPD hours for teachers. So if you attend and you're a teacher, you get those CPD hours for free. So I hope to see you and thank you so much. See you on Saturday.